Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Out. Today I will show you how to change your country name on your SoundCloud app. So the process is quite easy. So let's not waste the time and see how it is done. First open the SoundCloud app and here you will see the home page. If you are not able to see the home page, that's because you are not logged into your account. So first log in your account and then follow the process. Once you log in, tap on the library button at the bottom of the page on the navigation bar right beside the search icon. Here you will see your profile picture at the top right corner right beside the upgrade. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, you will see the pencil icon right beside your profile. Tap on that. Then you will see the country option there. Tap on country option that is right below the city option. Once you tap in, choose the country you want to change to. Then tap on the save button at the top right corner. Here you can see you have successfully changed the country name. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to the video, you can simply comment down below. Thank you.